Good evening, guys. I realized that I have had my Sisterlocks for 13 weeks. Today, I had my second retightening appointment. I really like these locks. I realize that I don't usually go in like this and show you my grid, but it looks real good. My gray is becoming more and more evident, especially in the front, and I don't particularly like it, but I can deal with it. My hair is even more grayer than this. I just spray it with some color from a aerosol can to cover up some of the gray. I had a very good appointment. It lasted 1 hour and about 40 minutes for her to retighten these locks. She's really fast. Now what I want you to know is that I'm really trying to build this channel, and so if you are a subscriber, I want to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed, then I want you to press that subscribe button and also press on the little bell so you can get some notification as to when I upload a video. I like the fullness of my hair. I have thus far had no issues with these locks. I have not had any slippage, and therefore I just think to myself, I'm so proud of myself, because that means I've been taking care of them properly. I still wash my hair once a week. I band before washing. I've been told that my ends are now, if you notice, they just have little curls on the end, and that's a good thing, I was told. So my ends are curly and they're not as straight. I like the way that the direction that she took my hair in this time when she was retightening it, in that I laid back for her to pull this somewhat back, and I like the direction that it's going in. I'm going to turn around so you can see exactly how my hair looks. These Sisterlocks did not have to grow on me. I love them from day one. Day one. I am just so happy with it. I'll get to see my granddaughter this weekend. She has not seen these locks in person because she's in Japan. And of course, that's where I'm going to her graduation. But I like it. And I don't mind this little bit of gray right here showing, because I think it looks maybe somewhat, makes me look somewhat distinguished. I've been asking about coloring my hair, and of course my loctician or my consultant keeps telling me no. I want to use temporary color, and she says no, don't chance it. And I know that how much money I put into this, and so I don't want to make any decisions about my hair that will damage it or have me regress in what these locks are doing or go back. Is there any advice you can give me about my hair? Please do in the comments below. This is the top of my hair. Yeah, I'm liking my hair. Haven't had any issues. It doesn't take her too long to do my retightening. While I'm there, I usually make my next appointment. And when I say my next appointment, not the appointment following this one, but I have made my appointments now up until September. So I have an appointment to go back for my retightening in July at the beginning, at the end of August, somewhere in the middle of August, and then at the end of September. One of the things that she has told me is that she will be out for a few months, October to January, But then when I had my locks installed, she had a helper, and that person is going to be taking care of my locks while she is out. That's why I feel so blessed being a part of a lock network, because there's more than one person. Though Flo is my main consultant, there are others in there that will take up the slack or give me an appointment if I cannot fit into Flo's schedule for some reason or another. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I appreciate my new subscribers as well as my old subscribers. Thank you for hanging in there with me.